Before you put even $1 into OPT coin, you need to hear this, because platforms like optcoin66.com are appearing everywhere in 2025, and not all of them are what they claim to be. OPT coin presents itself as a crypto investment and trading platform promising opportunities through digital assets. But when you look closer, things become less clear. I checked how optcoin66.com operates, what it claims on its website, and how it compares with legitimate crypto platforms, and the results are mixed. The site talks about easy trading, potential profits, and a simple investment process, which can sound attractive to beginners, but important details are either very limited or missing entirely. There is little transparency about the company behind OptiCoin, no clear regulatory licensing information, and no verifiable team credentials, which is a common concern in many questionable crypto platforms. The website design looks professional on the surface, but professional design alone does not guarantee legitimacy. Claims related to returns are presented in a vague way, avoiding specific guarantees while still creating high expectations, which is something you should always be cautious about. User information online is also inconsistent, with some people reporting normal experiences and others raising concerns about withdrawals, communication, or long-term reliability. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it also doesn't provide strong confidence. In crypto, lack of transparency is a serious risk factor, especially for new investors who may not fully understand how these platforms work. Based on everything reviewed, OPT Coin and optcoin66.com cannot be clearly labeled as fully legit or outright fake, but it definitely falls into a high-risk category that requires extreme caution. If you are considering it, never invest money you cannot afford to lose, and always do your own independent research before making any decision.